I'm making a video about doorbells. Hello, welcome to the video. My name is...
How can I help you?
This is, my name is James.
You're making me look bad, mate.
What are you looking for?
Sosa.
Who?
Sammy?
Sammy Sosa. Your dilated pupils are telling me that your intentions are as bad as your improvisation skills.
Sammy?
I mean, at least go with something believable like Elvis Presley.
What's your name?
James.
And who are you looking for?
No, a friend of mine.
No friend of yours lives here, buddy.
Ring is offering $1 million to anyone who captures an alien on their doorbell camera. Cue an endless stream of people with their pants on their head doing a chicken impression. Apparently that was a newsworthy clip of a potential alien sighting.
Police!
Do you have a warrant for that fake Burberry cap? It's at this point that Detective Bean realizes there is a doorbell camera.
Police!
No, I'm not who you're expecting, but your driver got arrested for unsafe here. So I figured I'd complete the door now for you. Take care. Thanks!
That is amazing. In this clip, a man was caught peering into a woman's kitchen window. He then walks to the front door and rings a doorbell. Who is it?
I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
Could you put that in an email to me?
Are you positive?
Fairly certain.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
He was later identified as a California fugitive. It was a good thing that she didn't open the door that day. The Duracell bunny didn't age well. Even for free hugs from Blasted Bunny, I'm not opening the door. And people say I was wasting my time watching 19 Purge movies. Opening your front door and going into your house, what could go wrong? Flying snake to the face, apparently. I mean, there's unlucky and there's this guy. So the snake was wrapped around the porch light. He didn't see it as his focus was on opening the door. Fair enough. And then the snake did its best Jackie Chan impression. His friend was sympathetic though.
At your mailbox. Right there. No, I'm not.
Trick or treat.
That's strange, I didn't order a Domino's.
Trick or treat.
Let's think this through. It's Halloween, it's the middle of the day, and it's a grown man at the door.
Trick or treat. Smell my feet.
Only if you promise that you've got new socks on. Before anyone could answer, he then proceeds to eerily walk off. I call this next clip Craigslist Creep Doesn't Know How to Use Google Maps.
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what are you looking for, Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for, Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So, you don't want to have tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room.
I'm shocked she was not flattered by that, Stephen.
Okay.
Have a good
Understood.
Whatever just happened to teenagers egging your house? Life used to be so simple.
I knew this was a rip.
Not everyone values the added security of a doorbell camera.
It records. Is that right?
Yeah.
I have not given you permission to record me. I do not.
This is a doorbell.
This has a camera. I come in and out of my house. You are recording me, and you have not got my permission.
It's recording you right now because you're by my house.
I mean, she actually makes some good points, but based on this next clip, they are a pretty good idea. It's late at night, and a woman is woken up by her dog barking. Checks her doorbell camera and sees this. The man is whispering to himself. He then tries to enter the house.
Okay, I was just looking for my dog, Fido.
Fido, that sounds legit. Is Bugs Bunny about to jump out the bush?
You don't have to get all like that and stuff, honey. You
Best friends, I reckon. And in all seriousness, this doorbell camera avoided a potentially serious altercation.
Get away from the door.
And to end, something brilliant. When you win the Nobel Prize and won't answer your phone.
Paul? It's Bob Wilson. Yeah? You've won the Nobel. You've won the Nobel Prize. And so they're trying to reach you, but they cannot. They don't seem to have a number for you.
Yeah, I have. Wow.
This has been the James Linker Experience. Get a doorbell camera.